Hello and welcome to the sixth installment of Umbra User Tutorials. This video will provide more details about the map and reports feature in the Umbra system. By the end of the video, users should be able to access and effectively use maps and reports. Like relations, maps and reports can be accessed from the navigation bar. Maps enable analysts to display a map of locations related to one or more targets from a selected portfolio. A map is set up the same way a relations graph is. One selects a portfolio of interest, then chooses one or more targets within that portfolio. Also, if desired, start and end dates may be specified to include or exclude targets based on their open dates. Just as targets can be associated with other targets in the same portfolio, target locations can be associated with certain data elements. ID values, material documents, network addresses, and phone numbers can all be connected to a location. If there are any such data elements available to a location, Umbra will present them in the background section of the Location View Edit page. When associations of this sort are made, they'll show up in Umbra's map feature as a hyperlinked item that appears when clicking the relevant map marker. However, a location can still be plotted on a map without any associated data elements. Moving on to reports. Reports enable the analyst to display a detailed report of one or more targets from a selected portfolio. The output also includes a target relations force graph and a location map. Setting up a report is no different than configuring relations or maps. Through a report, the analyst can see all of the case documents, targets, relations between targets, and target locations on one convenient page. Prior to printing, simply configure the report as desired by opening and closing of these subsections. Each bullet item beneath the target can be clicked to display detailed data. The same applies to bullets under case documents. Detailed target information can also be displayed by clicking on a bulleted item. Additionally, a simple relation force graph denotes the relationships between these targets. Finally, there's a map visualizing the locations associated with the targets on this report. Both the Maps and Reports tools help analysts conduct research and compile their information. This video concludes the portion of the series that introduces and explains Umbra's key features.